So today we want to talk about how someone is going to make their 100 million from pigs in 2 years. So this period here is a break-even point. Here we have a farmer starting in March 2026. Person is starting its consultation, construction, handling construction within the same period. Then that person is stocking the farm at a certain point, let's say in August. And the person is stocking pigs from 10 weeks old, 12 weeks old. This person is stocking pigs of 12 weeks, 14, 16, and 18. So if you are a farmer and you're stocking your pigs, two pigs to make 10 weeks old, 12 weeks old, 14 weeks old, 16, and 18. And you're starting your farm in August. And these are very good animals. You're purchasing F1s, extremely good animals. By March 2028, you could have your break-even. So how are you going to drag that break-even point a little bit? If you started in March 2026 and you want to have immediate results, that means you have to purchase mature mothers so that you're able to sell. So this is just 2 cycles from these mothers, and you should be in position to recover all the money that you've invested in fixed costs and of course in purchasing the genetics and also feeding. So that's what we call a break-even point. So what is going to increase your break-even is when your costs, your entry costs are higher and also your management costs are higher. For instance, the feeding costs are higher, the other entry costs are also higher. You might find yourself up to maybe September. That's when you are recovering around maybe 2 million, a positive of 2 million. But here we are talking about by September, you should have sold another batch, and now you have a positive of 57 million. That doesn't rule out that there are risks in piggery farming, and it's not going to be a linear curve, it's not going to be a straight line. We are talking about some other risks, but also someone can capitalize on efficiency to see that you can achieve your targets within 2 years period, or if not just 2 years and a half. But then I've had farmers farming in piggery for 10 years and they're saying that they're not making money. So what would be the problem? You need to check in yourself, you need to check in your farm and see how best you're managing your resources. Thank you so much.